And second thing, and many of my friends ask me how Brini doesn't fall sick. Yes, guys, Brini has never fallen sick. I'll just brief you all how it all started. How did I boost her immune system and all that? Initially, she felt she actually didn't get fever at all. I should say from her birth up to now, she's never got fever. But three times she fell sick. She had running nose. She had cough three times initially, first 3 months, three times already. And every time, like, I take her to the hospital, she got cold, always she got it from someone else. So sorry for the noise. She's my daughter's making some noise. So, hope you all can hear me. So every time she fell sick, it was from someone else. It was not all of all by herself. She did not get cold all by herself, but it was uh, she got it from others. Like, to why she got it from my mother-in-law, because she was sick, she got it from her. And once she got it from my husband caught cold, and then she got it from him. So within first 3 months, she fell sick three times. And every time I took her to the hospital, doctor was worried for her. And the third time, what doctor told me was, if she falls sick again, then we have to give she would get asthma. So I was so worried that after that I made sure that she doesn't fall sick anymore. So all that I did, I will tell you all that I did for her. One main thing I did was, if someone had cold, definitely don't leave your kids with them, because it is, you know. Hi. Hi. Avadi. No, oh, Abba. Thank you. Okay, that's enough. So yeah. So one thing is, don't when someone has cold, don't let them close to the baby initially. Then second thing is, do keep your house clean with especially the wipes, disinfectant wipes and disinfectant spray. Keep spraying, especially when someone gets cold at home. Just every time, quite often, just spray that everywhere, wherever they have touched. The flu actually transmits that way. So the same thing applies to coronavirus, I think, now. So it's the same thing with normal cough and cold also. Do, like, keep disinfecting everywhere, and then wipe it down with the disinfectant wipes, which is available on Amazon. And then after 6 months, what I started, when we start giving them water, I always gave a tulsi water. So basically, just pluck 5 leaf of tulsi. This 5 leaf is for the whole day of water. Like, in a day, if she is drinking half a liter of water, that half liter of water, morning itself, I boil it with the tulsi leaf, around 5 tulsi leaf. Just boil it well, and then I pour it and keep it in a bottle, a glass bottle. Plastic is not good, so avoid plastic. So I keep it in that bottle, and I keep giving her every day. Tulsi is like too good, people. And up to now, my daughter is 1 year 3 months old. She has never fallen sick, keeping my fingers crossed though. She's never fallen sick. She never gets fever, cold, cough, nothing. And why I'm making this video is to help other parents out there. For your kids, trust me, I will show y'all. Trust me, I will show y'all right away, because I am doing it. I will just get, see, I will show y'all. It is end of the day, and it is end of the day already. So she is dry. I don't make fully, it is just like, maybe it comes up to here, and she's drank so much already. See, if y'all can see, tulsi leaf is inside. So trust me, this really works. I want all your parents, if y'all can do your own research, but this is working, people. Do give tulsi water to your kids, your children, if they are not under 6 months. Again, I'm mentioning, so babies under 6 months, no need to give them water. It is not recommended to give them water, so I'm mentioning that also here. Babies above 6 months, you can start giving this tulsi water. This does boost the immune system. Simple, just try it. Just buy one tulsi plant. I actually right now it is dark outside, I can't show you all the plant. I just got a small plant and I used to use the leaves in that. It was just working up to like how many days it came, like I think it came for months, 2-3 months it did come. And when there were no leaves at all in that plant, we bought another plant. No baby, it is glass. So when there were no leaf at all, then we bought another plant, and then we started using this. By the time we use all the leaves from the new plant, the old plant gets back its leaves. So that way, trust me, we just have two small plants, and it is come throughout the year, and still we have leaves in both the plants. And we are still using 5 leaves every day, and we are still using the tulsi. It is that good. Do use, and I request all the parents, please do use this, because of this situation. As the COVID is spreading so fast, I want all kids to be really safe. This I'm not doing for my YouTube video, or it is not like, I want you all to watch this video, but I am really concerned about the kids out there, because you all know I have this 1-year-old and I really want her to be safe. And because of the spread, if we see it, it looks like everyone are gonna get this corona one day. So we have to prepare ourselves at least now. Please do give tulsi water to your kids. That is helping. My daughter, from normal fever, she is quite strong. She normally doesn't get fever, cold very, I mean, she has never got up to now. So that I'm quite sure this tulsi water is helping. Again, this about this tulsi water also, I did read a lot, and then only I came to the conclusion. There were many other remedies also for cough and cold and all that, but this I was very convinced, and that is why I used for her, and it is working. So please do give your kids tulsi water, and trust me, it is working. So that's it, to tell y'all for now. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you all have not yet subscribed. And thank you for watching this video, and also do follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram. And yeah, watch all my videos. Until then, bye bye, and be safe, please be safe. Stay at home and be safe.